Hi, my name is Alia, and today we are going to presenting about the eggshell and the pH level. So as you can see, for the introduction of this experiment investigate the effects of different solution on eggshells. Eggs were placed in vinegar, bleach and water to observe physical and chemical change. The experiment show how chemical solution can affect biological material.
For the anatomy of an egg, we all know that the egg have the yolk, the chalaza, the germinal disc, the egg white, or we call it albumin, the membrane, the air cell, and also the shell. The shell is made up from calcium carbonate.
Next, we talk about properties and usage. First, water. Water is neutral, which means it usually does not react with most materials. That's why we use it every day for drinking, washing, and cooking. Chemically, water is H2O, and we can find it naturally in rainwater and in drinks like juice, tea, and soft drinks. Next, vinegar. The main chemical in vinegar is acetic acid, also known as CH2COOH, and this acid gives vinegar its sour smell and acidic properties. Vinegar is made with water and commonly found in apple cider vinegar, pickles, and other fermented food. Lastly, bleach. The main chemical in bleach is sodium hypochlorite or NaOOCl. It is mixed with water and acts as a strong disinfectant and whitening agent. This is why bleach is used in household, swimming pools, in diluted form, and water treatment products. Overall, even though all three are liquids, they are different chemical compounds, give them very different properties and use.
For procedure, firstly, one egg is placed into each label containers. Next, vinegar, bleach and water are poured into their respective container until the egg are fully covered. Lastly, the containers are closed and the eggs are observed before and after 1 until 2 days.
talk about the part 4 of our presentation video. It's about the X reactions toward the solution. And so we'll move to the data table that I just made. From the data table result, we have 3 solutions, just like my comrade said in the earlier of the video. We have water as a control group, so you can watch over the vinegar and bleach, how it reacts. As we know, in vinegar, it contains the acetic acid, which is quite acidic, that will thin out the shell. And we have also bleach that contains a sodium hypochlorite, and each solution has a different aftermath. We'll see that water no change, still hard and brown, and we have vinegar, which is left with bouncy and membrane, and bleach, the shell is hardened a little and its shell will whiten. So we'll see why directions, why it occurred. So we'll go with the water first, as we know that water is neutral. On the pH scale, it's on the 7. So that means no reactions will be occurred. And we go to the second solution, which is vinegar. As we know that vinegar is quite a strong acid, and the eggshell were made of calcium carbonate, and there will be a reaction occurred, which is vinegar will react to the eggshell and dissolve them. So we're left with the only membrane left after 2 days left. So we'll go through the bleach, which is contain a sodium hypochlorite, which is a great whitening agent. As we know that the eggshells were quite pigmented with the brown color, so when it makes contact with the sodium hypochlorite, the pigment will wear off on the eggshell, leaving the eggshell whitened and quite hard.
Last but not least, for the conclusion, this experiment shows that different solutions affect eggs differently due to their chemical properties. Water causes no change because it is neutral and does not react with the calcium carbonate eggshells. Vinegar, which is acidic, reacted with the shell and dissolved it, making the shell thinner and weaker over time. Bleach did not dissolve the shell but turned the egg white by breaking down pigment through oxidation. Overall, the result demonstrates how neutral substances, acid and oxidizing agents interact differently with materials.